Hello. This is Online Cues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to share Spotify collaborative playlist with your friends. First of all, launch the Spotify app on your mobile or computer. Then click your library. You can create a new playlist, or if you want to share your existing playlist as a collaborative playlist, then click on the playlist of your choice. Click on Invite icon. Your collaborative playlist link will be copied after clicking on the icon. Now you can share this collaborative link to anyone you want to a Spotify account from any messaging app. Paste the link and send. Now let's see how that person can go to this link and view the collaborative playlist. After they click on that link, they will be redirected to Spotify collaborative playlist. They can now listen to the songs from the playlist together. They can add songs of their choice to collaborative playlist, delete any songs from the playlist. This is how you can share Spotify collaborative playlist to your friends and create a playlist together and share the new online listening experience. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.